Bro, that girl's such a catfish.
What are you talking about?
She wears so much makeup. She looks hella different without it.
I mean, like, yeah. I would hope she's not spending hundreds of dollars on makeup to look the exact same as she did before she put it on. Okay, let me ask you something. What would be the point of makeup if you look the same with or without it?
I'm just saying I prefer more natural makeup.
Oh, so you like to do your makeup too? I support that.
No, I'm talking about on a girl.
Right, okay. I hate to be the one to break it to you. I really do. But she doesn't care what you prefer.
Well, she should try to impress me.
I can guarantee you that she's not gonna put in the effort to impress you if you can't even put in the effort to shower. Oh, I wouldn't recommend doing that. You probably have, like, black mold in there.
Olá! Gente, tô há 7 horas fazendo essa make aqui, ó. Meu arquinho maravilhoso que eu fiquei dias fazendo também. E agora, chegou a hora mais esperada, que é de tirar. Ai, que pena tirar essa maquiagem. Não, gente, eu não vejo a hora de tirar essa maquiagem. Tá linda, eu amei. Eu não sei vocês, mas eu amei. Mas assim, eu tô louca pra tirar. Vamos começar pelo arquinho. Olha eu falando fanha, por causa desse focinho aqui. Começar pelo arquinho. Maravilhoso. Que eu vou deixar na minha estante. E agora, gente. Eita. Eu quero muito tirar essa prótese, vocês não estão entendendo. Ai, senhor, eu preciso retirar pelo nariz. O olho vai junto. Ah, senhor. O papel higiênico já entrou quase no meu cérebro, essa altura. Nossa, não tá saindo. Ah! Meu namorado tá me olhando de uma forma estranha. Para. Gente, que merda. É isso, né? Ui! Só derrota, gente. Daqui pra frente é só derrota. E essa é a minha baby taurininha. É a Baby Bowie. Oi, filha! É a make do signo dela. Restos mortais do que foi um dia um touro.
Hey kids, nice to meet ya. Are you ready for some Fazbear pizza?
Who's this? Working at the night shift.
I don't know, but I don't think I like him.
He's so cute, I can feel his heart racing.
About time we had a brand new plaything.
Another yellow belly balking like a chicken.
Listen gang, I say that we dig in.
Take off my Spyro makeup with me. I have had this on for so many hours. While I'm happy, I'm also sad because this is the cutest cosplay I've ever done. Gentle, 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 don't want to break it. Take off this little dude. This one's gonna... Gosh. Oh, please come off in one piece. Oh, ow. Rip this off. And all the scales. I'm gonna have a shower, BRB. Oh, I'm a human again.
Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? Well, yes, of course, it is time to take this off again. It's been so long since I've done a removal video. Also, it's currently 2 a.m. and everyone's asleep, which is why I'm like quiet. Frankly, we reached the time when my desire to sleep is stronger than my desire to keep this makeup on my face. I want to cry about taking this off, but frankly, I don't have any more energy. And now it's time for the bedtime dose of pain. Yup, I love hurting myself for views. I feel like making these icicles definitely took longer than putting them on. But I was smart about this, I used a bald cap. So the majority of the latex is just the one holding the bald cap. It's still gonna hurt. It's okay though, just a quick motion. Never mind. It's stuck. Wow, it looks a lot less cool without my face in it. Can't forget the contact. I'm gonna go shower.
I can't take it off. I can't take it off. Like, take it off. I can't. Take it off. I can't take it off. Like, take it off. I can't.
Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? Well, yes, of course, it's time to take this off again. This little beauty's been falling off since I put it on, pretty much. This should be easy. There's still latex on my neck, of course. Yeah! This side, however, is on there pretty good. Let's just start from the top and maybe make it drop. Just kidding, that's for later. The reason I'm talking so much is because I don't want to take this off, because it's gonna be painful. Okay, just one quick motion. Yeah, it just ripped the paper. We're like halfway done. I surprise myself sometimes. Okay, one last one. Why do I do this to myself? I don't know. I hope your pain is amusing. I did not say that right. I hope my pain is amusing to you. There we go, Valeria. Second time is the charm. That's also not the saying. Our favorite nightmare fuel. And I'm all clean now.
Take off my makeup with me, Taurus edition. And don't forget I have a Zodiac series because of my Zodiac merch launch, so go check it out. The link's in my bio. No, these lashes are first, and I'm using Style Bashful. Get this weird little septum nose piece out. Now for the earrings. Now let's take off these little baby chains because they are tickling my eyeballs. Now for these rhinestone brows. Oh, and these little guys too. Okay, now hopefully this comes off in one piece. Okay. Okay, now let's get these flowers and horns off. They are literally clipped to my head. I don't even know where. They're on there pretty good. My hair is about to be tangled up. Oh, there's still one more. I've never done anything like this, so I thought it was pretty cool. Maybe unraveling it will not be as cool. Never mind. And since I have a lot of chunky glitter on my eyes, I'm going to use this tape. So. Oh, I look creepy. Alright, I think that's as good as it's going to get. Time for that bomb. Little ASMR. Okay, I don't know why I'm so aggressive with it. I look very, dirty. Time to really take her off. Alright, well that's pretty much it. Comment below which zodiac sign you think is next.
Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? It's time to take this off again. Also, sorry, I have to be quiet again, because I always wait till everyone's asleep to film. I'm not afraid of anything, anymore. Silent screaming helps. Also, I have a little problem. I did my nails the other day, and I have no idea how to take my contacts out with nails. I feel like I'm gonna poke my eye out. Wish me luck. Okay, well, I mean, I got one, and my eye is still there, so let's try that again. You guys, it's stuck, and I can't take it out. I don't know what to do. Okay, I just had a mini heart attack, but I got it out. And of course, here's your favorite nightmare fuel. I took a shower, and I'm all clean now.
Take off my makeup with me, Aries Zodiac Makeup Edition. Gotta take off these nails, of course, so I can actually do something, but make sure to go check the link in my bio so you can get your Zodiac makeup bag and necklace. Don't worry, there's other cute stuff too. But anyways, let's get to taking these earrings off. Lashes, babies. And before we go any further, can we just take a moment for the paper mache ram horns, as well as the flames, and I try to get a fan to make them move in some of my videos. Anyways, I need to take these hair clips out so I can actually take these horns off. Crazy. Day's worth of work and it's gone. Now for the itty bitty rhinestones. For this guy. Alright, now time for the painful part. I literally made these all out of streamers and glued them all on. Don't be dramatic, don't be dramatic. Oh my god, that hurts. That one hurts really bad right there. I don't know if I can do it. It looks like it's ripping my skin off. Oh my god. Out of all of the things I've peeled off my body, this is the most painful. Oh my god. It's barely on, but it hurts so bad. Just rip it off like a band-aid. Now time for that balm and that dirty makeup remover pad. What time is it? Time to be stained for definitely 3 days. Just kidding, that was a little dramatic, but definitely probably the rest of the day. Okay, I'll stop with the weird faces. Alright, it's time for me to go shower. Catch you later.
Take off my makeup with me. I can't wait to take this off. I'm going to be using the Dermalogica Pre-Cleanse to help me out with this today. I'm going to begin by removing the eyes. Now the bald cap. Gonna grab some of the pre-cleanse. Oh, can't forget the eyelashes. Now let's get into it. I love using this stuff to remove any heavy makeup looks because it removes any waterproof product, cream product, even like the glue that I'm wearing that's really strong. So effortless. I love this product. Like, it removes everything so fast. That took 5 minutes. And it's available at Sephora, so run and get some right now, besties.
Time to take all this off. Okay. Alrighty. Oh. Ooh. I have clothes on TikTok. Where do we begin? I have a really hard time hearing anything out of these two areas because it's covering my ears. Let's do this. I'm low-key sad. Now I look like a bug. Oh. I had tape on the back to hold them down. Now I look like I'm about to go swimming. This is the worst part, taking off all this liquid latex. My skin does not like liquid latex, so I'm fingers crossed that this does not go bad and I don't get like an irritation or something. Last piece. Oh. Now we're here. For the contacts. Oh, I am getting better and better at this. Little commotion for these lashes because they're amazing. Amazing. Put my glove on, taking a chunk of this, and just putting it like that. And just rubbing it in. Doesn't look like I got too bad of an irritation, so all went well.